Brilliant British English phrases you need to know. 1. Fancy a cuppa. Meaning, would you like a cup of tea? 2. All right. Meaning, hey, how are you? 3. I'm knackered. Meaning, I'm tired. 4. Cheeky. Meaning, playful, mischievous. 5. I'm chuffed to bits. Meaning, I'm very pleased. 6. Bloody. Meaning, very. 7. To barge something. Meaning to mend or repair something clumsily. 8. I'm pissed. Meaning, I'm drunk. 9. Lovely. Meaning, beautiful, attractive. 10. Mate. Meaning, friend. 11. That's rubbish. Meaning, I don't believe you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.